Washing baby clothes that have been in storage? Here's another cleaning tutorial on how to make them white and bright. When I was preparing for the birth of our new twin son, I put out all the baby clothes we've had in storage for the last 7 years. I found quite a few yellow and brown stains on them. So here's how I removed all those ugly stains and made them look white and new again, and how you can too. First, you're going to put them through the wash. Add a nice hefty scoop of OxiClean to it first. You'll add your regular detergent or maybe a free and clear to the washer, and then pour in some hydrogen peroxide into the liquid bleach dispenser. Set your machine to do a pre-soak cycle and then start it through the wash. Once it's done, you'll check all the baby clothes for stains before putting them in the dryer. Any ones that still have stains, you're going to take outside on a sunny day and get them extra wet with a spray bottle that just contains some water. You can get them nice and saturated and soaking wet. I noticed it was mostly the white or light colored clothes that still had stains on them, but some also had stains around metal snaps and colors that were colored. For darker stains or different colored stains, you can also try adding a little lemon juice to the stains after spritzing it with a little water first. I found this can help give it a little boost to get out those kind of random stains that are still there. Like this pink one. Then wham, bam, after a couple hours in the sun, the stains are gone. Now you have white, clean clothes for your new baby. By the way, I tried using hydrogen peroxide instead of lemon juice, and it totally didn't work, so don't do that. But this wet clothes in the sunshine trick also works wonders on those newborn poop explosion stains. Yeah, it totally does. You're welcome. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great resources for home and family life.